If you're feeling lost anywhere, just in life in general, your career, relationships, or just your hobbies and passions, what you should be focusing your time on, this is the workbook for you. Hey friends, today I wanted to share with you something that has absolutely changed my life. I know that sounds like a really big statement, but it is a really big deal for me. I was feeling really lost and kind of spread a little too thin at the beginning of this quarantine session and didn't really know what direction I was heading. I have a bunch of passions in fitness and wellness and nutrition, but I also have this passion of photography and just creating and interacting with people. And so I didn't know where to put my energy and efforts, and I was really frustrated with myself for feeling like I was just spinning my wheels every single day. And so I found this workbook and I thought, why not give it a try? I mean, what's the worst that can happen out of putting some time and energy into taking care of myself? At the High Life is one of my really good friends, Meredith, and we actually got introduced on Instagram, superly randomly found each other. And I've been obsessed ever since. She is just the most amazing holistic health practitioner, and she has so many great ideas, perspectives, pieces of information, and inspiration to have you living your best life and honoring yourself every day, which is what HYE Life stands for. I wanted to talk specifically about her workbook, Take the High Road. This is not sponsored at all. That'd be awesome, and someday, Meredith, you will be able to sponsor people to say things like this, but it really did change my life. And so here I have all of my notes that I took for this workbook. When I was little, I knew exactly the person that I wanted to be. However, now in real life, with real responsibilities and real chaos going on all around us, it's really hard to remember your direction or even just to take the time to head in that direction with all the chaos and things that are going on. Meredith just lays it out in the most succinct, comprehensible and inspiring way possible. Thank you, Meredith, for making this workbook. I've never felt more confident in myself or in my direction before, and I am forever grateful to have stumbled upon you, as well as just feel so purposeful and driven in the direction of my dreams. Also, not to mention, I've been extremely successful in manifesting every single thing that I desired, that I wanted to achieve. When taking all my 5 pages of notes about this workbook, and I'm just completely blown away by it. Anything that you believe you can achieve, and I truly believe that the universe has your back in doing so. Highly recommend just taking the time to invest in yourself today. Go check it out on her page. I promise it's totally worth your while. I wouldn't get on here, put makeup on, and set up lighting to do this whole video if I didn't truly believe in the amazing outcome of taking this self-guided retrospective journey to be able to be the person that you want to be. Her workbook is downloadable online, and you can find it by searching at The High Life on Instagram, clicking the link in her bio, and scrolling down to Take the High Road Workbook. Even if you don't know where you want to go or where you're trying to map to, this is such a productive way to spend your time. What I stress most in my entire experience is to take care of yourself, take care of your mental well-being and your love and your energy that's within you.